Mega Lotto players, kayo ang unang bibida ngayong gabi. Wala tayong jackpot winner last Wednesday, kaya naman, ang ating jackpot prize ngayong gabi ay 15 million pesos net of the agent's prize commission. Sir, please press that button and let's play Mega Lotto 645. Mega Lotto players, nakikita ninyo ang 45 draw balls numbered 1 to 45 na hinahalo ng ating draw machine. 6 lucky balls ang hintayin nating piliin for our official Mega Million combination this Friday evening. The first number is 33. Ingatan po ang lotto ticket, huwag pong babasahin or paplansyahin yan. Tandaan, kailangan mabasa ng validating machine ang detalye ng winning ticket sa pag-claim ng premyo. The second number is 37. Sa Mega Lotto, panalo kayo ng 30 pesos sakaling mag-match ang 3 numbers ninyo sa winning combination. And to win, your numbers can come in any order. The third number is 2. 1.1 million pesos naman ang paghahati ang panalo pag nakuha ninyo ang 4 Mega Lotto winning numbers. The fourth number is 27. 1.2 million pesos will be equally divided sa mga nakaswerte ng 5 winning numbers. Mega Lotto is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The fifth number is 4. Very easy lang maglaro ng Lotto. Maaari kayong magtanong ng game mechanics sa ating mga friendly Lotto tellers. Nasa ticket nyo na kaya itong huling numero? The sixth and final number is 31. Muli po ang ating Mega Lotto winning numbers ngayong gabi ay 33, 37, 2, 27, 4, and 31 in any order for the jackpot prize of 15 million pesos net of the agent's prize commission. Ultra pa-premyo na! Wala tayong jackpot winner last Tuesday para sa ating Ultra Lotto 658. So tonight's jackpot prize is 79,557,596 pesos and 52 centavos net of the agent's prize commission. Sir, please press that button again and let's play Ultra Lotto 658. Lotto players, Ultra Lotto draw na. This time, 58 draw balls numbered 1 to 58 po ang nasa loob ng draw machine. Still, machine lamang ang pipili ng 6 na bola for tonight's winning combination. The first number is 37. Sa mga jackpot-bearing games gaya ng Ultra Lotto, paghahatian equally ang jackpot prize kapag dalawa o higit pa ang ating jackpot winners. The second number is 34. Masaya ang manalo sa Ultra Lotto draw. Sakaling makuha ang 3 winning numbers, panalo kaagad kayo ng 100 piso. The third number is 13. 1-3. And getting 4 out of the 6 winning numbers, 1.4 million pesos ang paghahatian equally. The fourth number is 26. Sakali namang 5 numero ang mag-match sa winning combination, 1.5 million pesos ang paghahatian na papremyo. The fifth number is 6. Lotto fans, huwag maniniwala sa mga nagsasabing mabibigyan kayo ng tip ng mga mananalong numero dito sa Lotto. Scam po ang mga yan. And the sixth and final number is 54. Philippines, here are the official Ultra Lotto 658 winning numbers. We have 37, 34, 13, 26, 6, and 54 in any order for the jackpot prize of 79,557,596 pesos and 52 centavos net of the agent's prize commission.
4D Lotto players, kayo na ang bida dito. In this game, you have the chance to win 10,000 pesos per 10 peso play at pwedeng umabot yan sa 100,000 pesos per 10 peso play kung makuha ninyo in exact order ang 4D Lotto winning combination. May mga system plays din na pwedeng subukan gaya ng Roll 1, Roll 4 at Promo Rumble. Good luck 4D Lotto players! And here's our 4D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 1. The second number is 0. The third number is 3. And the fourth and final number is 0. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's 4D Lotto winning combination is 1, 0, 3, and 0 in exact order. Tuloy na tayo sa parada ng tatlong masusuwerteng numero. Come on, let's play 3D Lotto. Tatlong numero lang ang kailangan para manalo ng exciting prizes dito sa 3D Lotto game. Sa game na ito, pag nag-match ang 3 numbers na napili mo sa 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order, panalo ka ng 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play. At kung naglaro at nanalo via Darambulito system play, 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos ang premyo mo. Thrice daily ang 3D Lotto, that's every 2, 5, and 9 p.m. At narito na ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 9. The second number is 9. And the third number is 0. Again, tonight's 3D Lotto winning numbers are 9, 9, and 0 in exact order. And for our last game tonight, libo-libong papremyo rin ang dala ng 2D Lotto game. For our last game tonight, 2D Lotto players na ang may chance sumakot ng papremyo na 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play na premyo kapag nag-match ang 2 numbers ninyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo via Darambulito system play, 2,000 pesos ang may uuwi ninyo. Reminder po, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. There you have it, our 2D Lotto winning combination. For the first number, we have 22. And the second number is 1. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for our 9 p.m. draw, we have 22 and 1 in exact order.